At first, this may seem just like your average computers, but these aren't just any computer. This is the Design Hub. This 4PC here has the entire Adobe Design Suite available to you for free. No subscription whatsoever. Programs like Photoshop, Premiere, Illustrator, Dreamweaver, Animate, InDesign, Lightroom, and more. We also have Wacom tablets to use. Hey, what are you doing?
Oh hey! I've just finished recording a video presentation in the ThinkSpace one-button recording studio over there, and I'm just using Adobe Premiere Pro to edit it.
Ah, that's so cool. It's too bad that I'm not good with this sort of techy stuff. I have no experience with them whatsoever.
But that's alright, just register into a ThinkSpace workshop. There are so many hands on the workshop that are quick and easy and free, and there's also a lot of drop-in sessions that you can attend.
But are they for beginners though?
Oh, absolutely. They teach you from the basics to a little bit more advanced if you need so.
Cool.